Your Storm Shield forecast, only on Fox 47 News.
Well, Justin, it was a rough day yesterday. That wind did not let up. No. So can we expect some calmer and maybe drier weather for this week?
Absolutely. Yeah, we're pretty much done with all of the wet weather we're going to see after this evening is over. We will still have a little bit of that wet weather in the forecast. Hard to see on the cameras right now, but there is some very light activity falling across mid-Michigan. MSU campus cam over East Lansing appears dry at first glance. In fact, it's possible that not everything there reaching the ground, but we do have a couple of showers. We'll show in a minute here. For now, we'll look at temps. Numbers still in the upper 30s to low 40s. We're very cool around the area, and with cooler air further north and west of us, and that's going to be the wind direction late tonight into tomorrow. That just means more cool air continues to spill in, and so we stay very chilly tomorrow. We'll talk about those numbers in a minute. The Doppler radar shows a couple areas of rain and yes, some snow showers coming into view here. Now, most of the surfaces out there are still warm. They're warmer than the freezing mark, and so we don't expect a significant accumulation, but maybe off the back patio or on some of your cars, and especially near the windshield wipers, you could see a small dusting build up with some of these showers later this evening. Most of these are going to fall very lightly, and they're not really going to stick to very much. Now, backing out, the good news is this is a very fast-moving, small little system here, and once it gets through tonight, there's nothing going on the other side of the Great Lakes, and so we'll have very pleasant-looking weather throughout much of the coming week. It'll just be temperatures trying to work them back up. So this evening, the temps fall. We've got drizzle and some light snow out there. That'll give way eventually to just light snow showers, but again, most of these flakes will melt on contact. Not really expecting much in the way of any sort of accumulation, if anything at all. So the low tonight around 30. It's just scattered drizzle and light snow, and for a while you may not even see some reaching the ground. Now the winds will be light tonight. They'll pick up tomorrow just a little bit. Future Track shows that area of rain and snow, again, very light, so it's not picked up real well by our models moving through tonight, but by tomorrow we're going to break out the sun at points throughout the day, but I think we still have some high cloudiness, so any sunlight that does stream down is going to be through those clouds and that wind, as you see the streamlines here out of the northwest, a little breezy too, and so that, although we do stay dry throughout the day, as you see here, is going to mean that we've got much cooler temperatures. Now Wednesday will be a bit warmer. As you can see, the winds have calmed down and we've got sunshine, so the way the temperatures go is tonight down close to 30 by the time we get to the early morning hours, but into the afternoon we really just don't warm up too much, only around 34, 35 degrees at our warmest before we fall back down throughout the overnight. Now here are the winds. They're rather calm tonight, but by tomorrow they pick back up. This is by the early morning hours. They're about 15 miles per hour, and I think they pick up even stronger, closer to 20 in the afternoon. They're out of the northwest. That's what acts to help keep us cool before they die back down in the evening. So the planner for our Tuesday, again, just a very chilly day, and with those breezy winds, probably going to feel more like the 20s for a lot of the day tomorrow. Definitely one to bundle up if you're out and about with the mostly cloudy sky. So we'll call the high around 35 degrees. And again, that northwest wind providing quite the potency. Now the rain chance is going to be very minimal over the next 4 days after this evening, so that's nice, but then by the weekend some of the showers return to the forecast, and you'll see that right here. Now we also do follow a warming trend. By Thursday we've warmed it all the way up close to 60 with a southwest wind, getting in some of that more warmth. By Friday I think most folks get into those lower 60s, and then the showers arrive this weekend. Past that we'll start to see things cool back off. By next Monday we're back down into the 40s, so the run into the 50s and maybe a 60 or two will be very brief.